In this video, I'll show you how to join the League of Legends Discord server on mobile. From your home screen, press on this green plus icon to the left, and then down at the bottom, tap Join a server. Inside the invite link box, you're simply going to type League of Legends. Make sure it's all one word and you spell it exactly like that. And then tap Join with invite link. You'll see you've been invited to join the League of Legends server. Press accept invite. And then press confirm at the bottom if you get this capture message. That's going to load us into the server. There's going to be some server onboarding questions. So it's going to ask you to select which region you play in. And then you'll have to read and agree to the server rules. Scroll down to the bottom. And we're now a member of the League of Legends Discord server. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.